welcome to the channel. Quick update today. Today is a bit of a milestone day for me. It's probably about week, I don't know, like 500 or something of this isolation. Seems like it. It's been a long time since we've been on the bike. But for me, it's been a week of hitting the 1,000 subscribers. So to all of those 1,000 subscribers, thank you very much. Thank you for being a part of, well, my journey, I suppose, with the KTM 500, which I still own. It's still there. It's under the sheet there. It's getting shoved further and further back into the corner of the shed as various other projects take over, but that's where we are at the moment and we just have to deal with it. So 1,000, I'm pretty happy with that. That's in about a year, I suppose it's taken me since I really got stuck into putting up fairly regular videos on the 500. Now, all is not lost. I do have the next project awaiting in this box for the 500. So stay tuned to the channel. We'll find out what's in the box and how it fits onto the 500. Hope you're all doing well. I hope you are keeping busy with whatever it is that keeps you busy, and until next time, we'll see you later.